Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Rachita and don't forget to subscribe for honest and helpful reviews and recommendations and many more interesting videos that are coming up. Today I'm super excited to talk about a brand that I have been using for a while, Bodywise. I'll be sharing my experience, what I love and whether it's worth your money. So let's get into it. Here in this box are all the products by Bodywise that I am currently using, and this is not at all a sponsored video. All these products have been purchased by myself. Let's get started. So I have a lot of products here. So I will start with the smallest and the product that I have been using for the longest time. It is their Pigmentation Repair Lip Balm with SPF 30. So I have already made a short video on this, and a few of you were asking me if this really works. So I have purchased this for about 3 to 4 times till now. I really love this lip balm. So let's see how it looks like and why I love it so much. This is how it looks like on the inside, and it has a really sweet and beautiful mild smell. It smells a lot like the Pigmentation Repair Underarm Roll On by Bodywise in the watermelon variant. Here you can see it up close. It has SPF 30 niacinamide, and this is how it looks like on the inside. While applying it on the lips, it feels so smooth like butter. It glides effortlessly and it is not at all sticky, which is the best part. And you can see it is completely transparent and it is so moisturizing, so soft to touch, and it is non-greasy, non-sticky. So I am someone who really loves using a good lip balm, but this lip balm is like an all-in-one for me. It has SPF 30, it repairs the pigmentation, and it really keeps my lips moisturized for so long. My lips feel really good and moisturized for at least up to 4 to 5 hours after applying this, and it does not feel greasy or sticky at all. It does not give you any kind of irritation. And about the pigmentation repair part, yes, I have genuinely seen a difference after using it regularly for more than 1 month in the beginning. Though it's not like it will completely take away your pigmentation, but these products are such that these are really effective with regular use, and I always keep this in my bag wherever I go. This is an essential for me to carry. और मैं इसकी जितनी भी तारीफ़ करूँ उतनी कम है. मैं इसकी कितनी भी तारीफ़ कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे सच में ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. सो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ रियली गुड लिप बाम, प्लीज़ गो फॉर इट because this is the best one and I really love this so much. And definitely if you haven't tried this abhi tak, but if you go for it, you will love this, I'm sure. And I also like the minimal cute packaging. You can just keep it in your bag easily and carry it everywhere with you. So now I will talk about my second most used and loved product by Bodywise, which is their 4% AHA BHA Underarm Roll On. Again, these are for pigmentation on your underarms. So why do I have two right now? It's because this one is the one which I have been always using. It is in the watermelon variant and it is my favorite because it has a really mild, beautiful smell, very similar to the lip balm, and it has almost come to an end. So I will also tell you about the other one. So I will apply this one on one side. This is just how you have to apply it, just 3 to 4 swipes on your underarm. And you can see how less pigmentation my underarms have. This has really helped me with pigmentation reduction on my underarms since I have been using this regularly, and this has honestly shown me results within 1 month of usage when I first purchased this. So Bodywise ने अपना एक new fragrance launch किया था which is the AHA variant. सो आई थॉट कि मैं हमेशा वाटरमेलन वन ही यूज़ करती हूँ, तो आई थॉट ऑफ परचेजिंग दिस वन एंड ट्राइंग दिस वन, and it is the same one, 4% AHA BHA Underarm Roll On. Here you can see, to control body odor, reduce pigmentation. It does the same thing, it just has a different fragrance. And honestly, I do not like this much over the watermelon one because this is a bit strong. You know, it is that typical aqua fragrance. Maybe if you are one of those people who like the aqua fragrance, you are going to love it. I just don't like it because for me it is a bit on the bitter side, and I like sweet and mild fragrances, which is why I like the fragrance of this one a little less, but I don't hate it. I have never faced any kind of irritation or any reactions on my skin whenever I have used this, and it really keeps the bad odor away all day long, and you don't have to worry about smelling bad. Plus it is giving you such a nice benefit, reducing the pigmentation, because we all wish for pigmentation free underarms. And it really does give me the confidence to even wear sleeveless. You know, we even sometimes don't feel too confident because it is a common issue that we all have underarm pigmentation, but there are such genuine products like this which really help you without any side effects. So go on, definitely go try this, as I love this. I mean, this is the best in the market for me. Go try it out for yourself, and I am never going back to any other underarm roll on because this is already the best one. So you can definitely go check it out for yourself, and I am sure you will also feel as confident as it has made me feel. Plus, Bodywise has these roll-ons in two variants. This is for mild pigmentation, the 4% AHA BHA roll-on. They have a 6% AHA BHA roll-on as well, which is for severe pigmentation. So according to your concern, you can go for the one whichever you find is best for you. So next one of my favorites is their pigmentation repair cream. This also, I have been using this for a long time. So let's talk about what it has first. It has 0.1% retinol, which gently exfoliates, 0.5% kojic acid, which slows down melanin production, 2% urea, which reduces inflammation, and 2.5 lactic acid, which increases cell turnover. And you can apply this on your neck, underarms, elbows, thighs, your knuckles or your knees, wherever you feel the need. And just don't use this on your face. So this is the cream, and it has a really rich texture, and I really love applying it on my elbows. I apply it every day because these products show results only when you use them regularly on a daily basis, and I have definitely seen a difference. It has a very rich texture and a very moisturizing effect, and it really makes the skin feel soft. It keeps it moisturized, and it does the work of reducing the pigmentation only if you use it regularly. So yes, again, this is another product that I really like. Now let's come to my another favorite, which is the 10% AHA body scrub, and it is infused with aloe vera extract. It helps with tan and strawberry skin as well, which is again a common concern among us all. It exfoliates the dead skin cells and removes ingrown hair. So here I'll show you the scrub while using it on my hand. You can see that I have taken a small amount, but a little goes a long way. It has a really creamy, smooth texture, and the exfoliating beads are not at all harsh. They don't cause any kind of irritation. They are extremely gentle on the skin. You can see those tiny exfoliating beads. You just have to scrub for a few minutes like this and just wash it off with lukewarm water. And it feels so soft to touch. I can instantly feel a difference in how my skin feels. You can see how glowy, clear and fresh my skin looks, and you can see that there is an instant brightening and a difference in the part where I have used the scrub and the rest of my hand. For me, it has never given me any kind of irritation or reactions, but it is always recommended to do a patch test before using any product for the first time to see for yourself how it performs for you. So this has been really helping me with the exfoliation and ingrown hair and improvement in strawberry skin. Overall, it is a really nice and gentle body scrub that you can definitely go for.